Hi, I am Jan, and I am tasked to tell you what I have learned so far. So, first, I really enjoyed the lesson where uh, titled Patterns and Shapes, uh, and I really it gave me a new uh, view of how to see the world. Even though before I appreciate shapes, I see shapes everywhere. I see like faces in river, but I ignore it. But here it is told that the universe itself, even the stars, the formation, even how the flower grows, or the number of leaves on a stem, it's all done by math, and it can be explained by math. Even in nature, we can see patterns, regularities, like in the honeycomb. Yeah, and this intrigue the people. Even it produced many great scientists and philosophers. No, because they were so intrigued. They start to study. It's not only in geometry, but also in different fields, like in biology as well, in physics, in economics, even in programming, computer science, how to handle this data and stuff. Uh, Math played a major role, uh, from what we are doing to natural occurring patterns, like even there's this scientist that studies how the genes of animal and plants work. No, they saw patterns, and they were intrigued and pursued in the way of math, explaining things by math. So second, math being a language, compared to other kind of languages, even though math has its own, like it has its own grammar, it has its own symbol. Compared to others, math is much more precise. Uh, oh, it when we talk, slight grammatical error is fine. We can still understand, but in math, if you have the wrong value of x, you will not understand the whole equation, or at least it would be harder. Uh, so mathematical language is more precise, and it has also a based on representation, based on symbols, so we can understand much more what is being told. For example, like the greater than, less than, and how in sets, diba? And but what I really enjoyed and is very important to me is that the what do you call this, the uh, problem solving part of being a what do you call, I am problem solving and reasoning. Although we can appreciate the patterns, we can appreciate math as the language, but I think it's more important because it's more applied to our daily living. How to solve problems. We have uh, inductive and deductive. Inductive, you are uh, coming into a conclusion by generalizing things. Uh, and deductive, from general to specific. It will help us how to uh, reason out more, or how to solve problems. No, scientists use this inductive for their hypotheses, their theories, and deductive, which is more valid. Deductive reasoning is to apply, because it's based on fact. And inductive, although although it can be right and it can also be wrong. So both would play. Both has their own gamit, no? Pare silang may sariling gamit, and I really enjoyed it. And also the problem solving part, no? Sabi dito, yung father of problem solving, si George Polya. I really enjoyed kasi it would be helpful, especially for me as a programmer, how to solve problem. Kasi sa programming, more on problem solving. So, I, I, I think I should study more about this, no? Sabi dito, preparation, understand the problem, di ba? You need to list down what is being asked, no? Tapos, thinking time, devise a plan. Sabi dito, draw pictures. Actually, ginagawa namin to sa programming. No? Draw a picture, uh, be systematic, make a simpler version of the problem. And third is to insight or carry out the plan. So, here we can have trial and error, we can have guessing, diba? And sa verification, to look back. Oh, sa amin parang input validation. Kumbaga sa programming, dapat gagana yung program mo kahit mali yung input. So, itong deductive reasoning, inductive, sa itong problem solving ni Polya, I think it should be more enrich and be deeper, especially me as a programmer. So yung next is yung management ng data. So yun, paano mag-gather, paano mag-interpret, and although medyo malabo pa sa akin, pero kailangan lang talagang mag-study to understand well, and yun lang. Thank you, sir.